Hello decoders. Today we are going to decode a topic how to get ahead of your friends and colleagues, and which is very close to everyone's heart, and most of the people are confused that where to start. So let's see how to get ahead of your friends and colleagues by following these simple 5 steps. Step number 1 will be select one field and get drenched into it. In your childhood, you must have tried many things like playing games, teaching something to your friend, coding, etc. Now it's time to look at current market trends and check what's in demand for next 4 to 5 years. Here, take help from industry experts, your parents, teachers, and of course from the internet and AI. Important note, while choosing a field, select the one which you like the most. You can sit for hours and keep doing the same task for longer hour of time. If you select sports as a field and don't have strength to be on ground for the required time, then you are not selecting right field. So while selecting field, choose wisely. I am not saying that weak people shouldn't select the sports as a profession or a person with low grades can't aim high. My point here is to know yourself well, plan your preparation well. Anything can be learned. You just need to be hyper focused on one thing, build your strength around it, and you will be working and thinking for more than 12 hours a day on the same topic, on the same thing. I know you think this will be crazy, but it's not. People who are industry leaders put more and more hours for longer period of time onto one things, and that's why they are called industry leaders. So choose one goal wisely and move to the step number 2. Start from basics. Give 1 to 2 years to master the basics of one thing. You heard it right. You need 1 to 2 years to master basic. Then you can build your specialization on that basic knowledge or a skill you have. Your strong foundation of basics will help you to grow and compound your knowledge over time period. Once you lay strong foundation, it's offbeat instruction but still reevaluate your goal, realign a bit to the market trend because once you start learning things then many new horizons will be open for you. Also, each day brings new opportunity. So realign goal looking at current market trend, your interest and your knowledge. Let's take an example of a student who is doing his semesters and learning C, JavaScript or SQL in his semester subjects. He searched on the internet, took help from teachers and seems these skill sets are cool things in the market and you get good salary if you master it. But while studying semesters, students get exposed to many more languages and subjects. Also, in the IT industry, trends changes every 4 to 5 years. So you need to learn basics, keep track of industry trends and realign your goals. The same knowledge foundation can be used to learn the Python, keep your journey going. If you're good at maths and statistics, you can move ahead to AI and ML. If you are average into it, then you can check what's in demand in Python. There are many libraries and many opportunities where you can be specialized and move ahead. So while working on basics, you need to work on step number 3. And the next step number 3 will be persistence. As you have decided the goal and timeline, then you need the consistency for longer period of time. You need to study as much as you can in any age or any experience. Otherwise, you will be out of current trends and your friends and colleagues will be ahead in no time. In today's fast-paced era, we are not learning anything new is actually become obsolete in no time. So with this step, you need to follow the step number 4. There is a saying that you are average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So please find like-minded community circle. You will see amazing results gradually. Your thought process and knowledge will be in a right direction. So choose people wisely and move to the step number 5. This is important step which speaks about experience. And this point is for all age groups. You can't beat the person with experience who already invested long hours to learn and implement the skill. If you are not experienced in the chosen field, then while studying you need to build projects, do volunteering in the field, follow industry leaders which will add up to your experience. This is must thing to excel in any field. Using this way you will make less mistakes, and unfortunately if you commit any, you can recover quickly with your experience to recover and fail over quickly. If you choose correct thing for you, plan your goals very well, then you can get amazing results. You would be ahead in no time. Today, we are living in era where we are not competing with your friends but with a person from other corner of the world as well. If you don't believe me, let's take an example of IT world that if you are not delivering clients ask, then jobs can be shifted to any corner of the world today. Or let's take one more example from sports fields well-known league Indian Premier League, that is IPL. Some players have chance to play for a match or two and they need to perform for the team in the shortest time period. If a player is well prepared, ready to take pressure, he will succeed and excel. But if he misses the chance, then there are other 20-30 peoples who are ready to replace him in the same season in the same squad. And 1000 plus players in the next season who are preparing themselves to get today a single chance to prove their capability. So decoders, don't get stressed with what environment you have and how much your friends or colleagues are ahead of you in university score or how much they are earning. Just set goals, set realistic timeline, be hyper focused, learn things and check market trends. Keep learning new things, start applying it. This way you will get experience and you will get better day by day. Decoders, let's set your goal, plan now. Drop in comments. If you need any help, please comment or feel free to email. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Happy decoding.